Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you some best tips and tricks to save battery life in Samsung A16. If you are using A16 and you want to save your battery life, so let's see how can you do this. First of all, you just have to scroll down your control center, and here you have to make sure that you have disabled all the unnecessary connections. So let's see, there's a quick share, it is enabled. If you're not using that, you're gonna tap on it, then tap on no one, and then done. In this way, just disable quick share and then do this same for all. As I'm not using Bluetooth, just disable that. You need the Wi-Fi or mobile data, location, auto rotate, and disable all the unnecessary features which you are not using. Just like that, you must have to disable them all. You have to make sure that there is no any unnecessary connection which is enabled. And after doing that, just go back and go for settings app, and here first of all just open display, and then select dark mode. From here select high motion smoothness. From here just select standard option, then tap on apply, go back, and here just go for battery option, enable power saving mode, and here just tap on background usage limits, and here you must have to select sleeping apps, and then just tap on plus icon to select the app which background usage you want to block. As I'm going to block, let's see, Galaxy Shop, Themes, Variable, and its gallery. Just disable that, and then tap on Add. And here in this way, you can easily disable or block background usage of the apps. After doing that, just go back, go for main settings, go for search, search for location, tap on location services, select location services from here, and here you have to disable Wi-Fi scanning or Bluetooth scanning. After that, your Wi-Fi or Bluetooth will not scan for nearby devices and background. So in this way, you can easily save your battery life or extend your battery life in Samsung A16. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.